guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. For today's video, I'm going to be making some really cute slimes using $1 ingredients. I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, and if you could maybe click that subscribe button, that would be really awesome. Before we jump into the video, I quickly want to give out a huge shout out to my notification squad. Thank you guys so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and leave me a comment down below to be featured in my next video. I'm gonna keep this intro short, so without any further ado, let's get started. For the first slime recipe, I'm going to be making a mermaid inspired slime. So here I have some clear glue and glitter poster paint. Both of these items are from Dollar Tree. In my bowl here, I'm going to pour the glue. Then I'm going to add some blue and green glitter poster paint, and this is going to give me that classic mermaid color. I quickly want to mention that everything that I'm using in this video is either from Dollar Tree or from Dollarama, and everything is for $1.25. Anyway, now I'm going to add some glitter, and both of the glitters that I'm using are also from Dollar Tree. I'm going to mix it all together, and once that's done, I'm going to activate my slime. So the slime is all done. Now to kind of like make this look pretty, I'm going to add some gold glitter at the bottom of the container, and then I'm going to pop in my slime. I also have this very cute mermaid charm, which I'm going to add, and then I'm finally going to top it off with these star-shaped glitters. And here is our mermaid slime all completed. This slime was so simple, but it's so pretty, and the best part about it is that everything that I used was for $1. Next, we're going to be making butter slime using $1 ingredients. So here in my bowl, I'm going to add some jot glue, and this is from Dollar Tree. Next, I'm going to add some shaving cream. I'm going to mix this all together, and then I'm going to go ahead and activate it. Now here I have some air dry clay, and I got this from Dollarama, which is a Canadian dollar store, and this pack of clay was for $1.25, and it comes with 5 colors. And let me tell you guys, this clay actually kind of feels like slime. It's so stretchy and so soft, and I'm honestly regretting that I only bought 1 pack of this because this clay is really good. Anyway, I divided the slime into 2 equal parts, and in the first half, I'm going to add the red and pink colored clay. And just adding in the clay made it so soft, so spreadable, and yeah, 10 on 10 would recommend this clay. In the second half, I'm going to add the white and blue colored clay. Now I'm going to swirl both of the colors together to get this very beautiful marble effect. This is kind of like a 4th of July slime in my opinion, but I love the color combination, and once I mixed both of the colors together, it made this like super pretty purple color. And that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one.